What makes Galway's Latin Quarter Street performers so lively? Imagine walking through a lively area where music fills the air and every corner has a surprise waiting. That's what makes Galway's Latin Quarter so special. This part of the city buzzes with energy, especially from the street performers. The secret is in how the area's history, layout, and local culture come together. Galway's Latin Quarter is a small, walkable zone filled with colorful buildings, cozy pubs, and busy restaurants. Its narrow, cobbled streets act like a natural stage for performers, making it easy for crowds to gather. The area used to be a medieval trading hub, giving it a rich character that performers love to tap into. You'll see solo musicians playing Irish folk tunes or groups jamming with guitars, fiddles, and even unusual instruments like washboards. Many performers are locals who play just for the joy of sharing music, not only for tips. This makes the performances feel real and spontaneous. The lively atmosphere comes from the unpredictability of the acts. Performers often improvise, reacting to the crowd and the moment. 1 minute, a quiet street corner might burst into music, and the next, strangers could be dancing together. This unpredictability keeps visitors excited and eager to see what happens next. The area's many pubs, cafes, and shops closed together mean there's always a steady flow of people passing through. This constant movement gives performers energy and encourages interaction. You might see crowds stopping, clapping, or even joining in a song. The reputation of Galway as a music city also draws talented performers from across Ireland and beyond. This mix of skilled musicians and enthusiastic crowds creates a lively, welcoming scene. If you want to catch the best performances, visit during the day or early evening, especially in summer when the weather is good and streets are busy. Don't be shy, stop, listen, chat with performers, or drop a coin if you enjoy the show. Many pubs also host live music sessions, so you can keep the fun going indoors. In short, Galway's Latin Quarter Street performers are lively because of the area's rich musical roots, the performers' spontaneity, and the friendly crowds. Walking through this part of Galway offers a real taste of Irish culture and the warmth of its people.